Recently, I've heard there's been a little confusion on the proper way to do a trimmed elbow, so you can have any angle that you want here. So I figured I'd put a little video together that demonstrates the whole process beginning to end. There's a few rules that we're all aware of that we've got to kind of bend to be able to build these. Right now I've just got a standard 6-inch carbon steel elbow. My properties palette over here so everybody can see it. So nothing special here. Standard center to face, 9-inch, 90-degree elbow. So easiest thing to do is throw in 90, make a copy of it, select it, and then you can just change the angle here, no problem. But you notice that when I hit enter, the center to end dimension, which is this intersection point between the center of this face and the center of this face, in here is drastically incorrect. So I know we have been avoiding SharePoint for a little bit of time, but there's some handy documentation available on the SharePoint site. Our detailing BIM folder, if you were to first go to KellyNet, under project resources, you have detailing BIM. And under the detailing BIM category, there is a angle calculator, compound angles calculator, that will bring up an Excel sheet that looks like this, which is a really handy tool in aiding you in creating these correctly. So I've already got my numbers punched in here. Pipe size 60, angle 30, and it tells me that my tangent length needs to be 2 7/16. That's the number that we're looking for. So there's a couple of places. We'll select this fitting, and under our other dimension, you see our angle to path is 30. Center to face, we want to make that our tangent length. So 2 7/16. You're going to get this dialog box. Part size not found. It's not contained in the catalog. This is a screen that everybody has been thoroughly instructed not to create a custom size part. This is where you create a custom size part. Reason being, if you didn't know all of the information that needs to be adjusted here, you'll get the wrong takeoff dimensions on fittings. So hence the explicit rules not to do this. So we're going to go ahead and create a custom size part. You want to make sure that you change both of these. Verify that all of our numbers are good. So our angle 1 is good, 2 7/16, 2 7/16, 6-inch on both sides. And then the easiest way to verify that you've got this correct, just throw a 90 over the top of it. When you place it, it's always going to try to put it connector to connector, node to node, rotate it 180 degrees, zoom in on it, take a look. Looks like our radiuses match nearly perfectly. There is a little bit of difference on this sheet because it is only rounded to the nearest 16th. Some of these will come out a few decimal places different, but that's okay. Within this 16th range is obviously what the shop is worried about. If anybody has any questions on that, please definitely get a hold of me and I can walk you through this process one-on-one. Thank you.